Been working with G5 for over 5 years. We as a company were looking to do private label. So we happened to run across G5, who called on us in Port St. Lucie, Florida, where our offices were at the time. And we've had a wonderful relationship since that point in time. Working with G5 has totally revolutionized the way Team IP has done business. About 15 years ago, we got out of decoration. We used to own our own production, and that was a major step that allowed us to advance toward the national company we are today. Then once going with G5, we were able to take the traditional methods that people in our industry practice on a daily basis. They buy blank goods, they ship it to a decorator, and then they take it out of the box, they decorate it, put it back in the box, and send it to their client. With G5, we were able to design our own labels, we were able to save money, and we were able to put 30% to our bottom line. And to date, with the combination of decoration and apparel, we've done over $3 million that we used to do domestically, that we now do with G5, and put near $1 million to our bottom line as a result of our relationship. Team IP is the #1 souvenir merchandiser in the US, from college football with ESPN, to being a partner with the National Federation of High Schools, to running over 1,700 events annually. G5 and the product that we have been able to private label, produce for our partners, and bring it to their events and to their consumers has made a drastic difference in everything that we do. It's separated us from our competitors, and it's been truly exciting to see the level of enthusiasm of people at their championship events picking up our private label product that we've produced and that we've designed through G5 and making their once-in-a-lifetime experience that much more special. To this day, more than 5 years later, never have regretted the decision. Matter of fact, been very enthusiastic and continue to do cutting-edge decoration, keeping up with fashion-driven culture, and we are separating ourselves from our competitors based on working with Eddie and G5 on a daily basis.